Manual testing for automation tools. Why you shouldn't ignore it. In today's world of AI-driven automation, it's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding tool after tool, each promising to streamline your workflows and increase productivity. But as we rush towards a future where machines are making decisions on our behalf, let's not forget one crucial aspect: human oversight. Context: automation tools have come a long way since their inception, with many capable of simulating real-world interactions and even learning from past mistakes. However, no matter how advanced these tools may seem, there's always room for improvement. A circumflex euros, and that's where manual testing comes in. The actual take. Let me demonstrate what I mean by running this automation script on our test system. As you can see, the tool quickly identifies potential issues and adjusts its behavior accordingly. But here's the thing: automated systems are only as good as their initial data and programming. What if that data is biased or incomplete? I've tested several popular automation tools, and while they all excel in specific areas, I noticed a common pattern. Once the system encounters an edge case it wasn't designed for, it starts to falter. This is where manual testing really shines. For instance, take this script that tests the tool's ability to handle different user inputs. As you can see, automated tools often struggle with these types of scenarios, but a human tester can quickly identify and address any issues. One such example I came across was when a major e-commerce platform relied on an automation tool to process customer orders. The problem? A specific type of payment method that's relatively rare in the industry wasn't properly handled by the system, resulting in hundreds of delayed shipments. If only there had been a human tester who noticed this anomaly earlier. A caveat or limitation. Now, I'm not suggesting that manual testing should replace automation tools entirely. However, what I am saying is that they shouldn't be seen as mutually exclusive. The key to reliable and accurate results lies in striking a balance between the two. For instance, you can use automated tools for routine tests and reserve human oversight for high-risk or edge case scenarios. This approach not only ensures the reliability of your automation, but also provides an added layer of security against potential errors. Recommendation. So, how do you incorporate manual testing into your workflow? First, make sure to include a designated tester on your team who's familiar with the tool and its limitations. Second, don't be afraid to manually test your automation tools, even if it seems redundant. And finally, always remember that data quality is just as important as programming sophistication. In conclusion, while automation tools have undoubtedly simplified many tasks, we shouldn't dismiss the importance of human oversight in ensuring their reliability and accuracy. By embracing both manual testing and automation, you'll be better equipped to tackle even the most complex challenges and achieve true excellence in your work.